It's the groupie girl. Coming this summer, a movie so intense it'll make you go whoa. One walrus will have to fight for his survival on the snowy grounds of Alaska, but nobody asks, why is this happening?
Hey Brian, what are you doing and why is your voice so deep?
Asked a familiar voice as a familiar voice came into the room. Gosh darn it, Lisa, you're ruining my life as a movie trailer guy, exclaimed Brian.
Sorry, why are you still doing that voice?
Asked Lisa. Oh, my voice got stuck. Brian said as he cleared his throat, returning to his normal British accent. So, what you doing? Asked Brian.
OMG, I'm glad you asked. I just got back from...
Is it strong verb again?
My gosh, it's about my trip to Alaska.
Good, you talked about that chap even during tea time.
Whatever. Oh yeah, have you heard about the walruses?
Now, you're probably wondering, walruses? What's wrong with walruses?
Hey jerk, you stopped me in the middle of my sentence, dumb narrator. I saw
that all the walruses are crowding on the beach, Lisa said. Page 2. Yeah, I was doing the trailer for that. I heard there are about 35,000 walruses near Point Lay, and 50 of them dead, Brian explained. Why are they on the beaches? Asked Lisa. It's because the sea ice is moving due to the global warming, and they need to take a breath on the ice before swimming again.
Oh yeah, and didn't they die in stampedes?
Yes.
Someone saved these walruses.
Lisa said. You're right.
You know I was kidding.
Well, I did hear there is a new match, and Strongbird is fighting another fearsome opponent, and it's being held where the walruses are.
Like, OMG, we need to go, like, now.
I don't need that anymore. They went to Alaska and helped the scientists save the walrus, and that is the ending of the journey of Brian and Lisa, Walrus Breaking Ice, coming soon in theaters near you.
Yay!